Hi everyone, welcome to our latest video. This is going to be one of our great videos now, hopefully. This is our cruise trip. We're literally going to Miami tomorrow to catch a Caribbean cruise. So right now, we are at Heathrow. We're in the Novotel Hotel, so this is travelling day 1. It is travelling day 1 or 2, might combine them both in the same one. This is Novotel. This is actually, I'm going to tell you a little secret, this is our second room. Our first room wasn't the cleanest, so we haven't had a great start. This is our second room now, which we're very pleased with. It's a massive big room, so come this way with me. Come with what room? Oh, we're 112. Look how massive this is. You've got a massive big double bed, nice big wardrobe space over here. Actually, I haven't even had a look. Yeah, got a nice wardrobe there, a bit of a seat with a mirror. More cubby hole spaces down there as well. Little mini fridge, safe, kettle, drinks. Is that something? No, that's not something. Then over here, have a nice little seat to sit in at the window. What are you doing way over there? Little seat by the window here. The view is of the hotel. We've got an interior view, so you've got outside there. But so much space in here. Let's go and check out the bathroom. Come this way. Wow. First of all, have a look how big that TV is. Massive big TV. You've got this groovy little lampshade here, which bends up and down. But then, come in here. Well, this is how you separate the bathroom. You've got these two doors there. Opens up. Come on in. Massive big bathroom. Toilet with your sinks. You've got a shampoo, shower gel, conditioner and soap. Plenty of space to hang things up in. And then, hi! A massive big shower. Rainfall shower and a normal shower as well. With all your needs. Got the controls over here. You have got a frosted glass in between you and the bathroom, so someone could be having a shower. Potentially could see on the other side. Go and have a look. So that's our tour of our room. We're not going to go around the hotel because we're literally only here for one night. We'll pick you up tomorrow at Heathrow. See you later. Hi everyone, just a quick insight. I know we're going to be at Heathrow. We found out something a bit interesting about this room. Remember the frosted glass I showed you that way? Go and have a look at it. Go and have a look. Go and have a look. I don't know what this does. Why this is here? What? Why would you need this? What? Why would you need that in a bathroom? It's a bit strange. See you later. Good morning everybody. So we've made it to Heathrow Airport. Oh, we're a bit wobbly, I'm on my phone in a minute. We're at Terminal 3 and right behind me over here, I don't know if you can see it really, is a Virgin Atlantic check-in desk. We've checked in, we are on our flight. We're doing good. We just got to go through security now. Because of COVID, you have to wear masks the whole time in there. We had to prove our lateral flows we took yesterday to get into Miami and our vaccination status. We had to be doubly jabbed. Oh yeah, and a passenger form, aspiration form, which we only found out about when we were here. They literally took us 2 minutes to do that with the woman, and we were through. Ground to check in, and then we just popped outside just to do this because we're all fine. We're going to head up to security, and we'll show you inside Heathrow Airport in a minute. See ya. So we've checked in, we've had a little wander around. Always forget Heathrow is a bit more of a posher airport. There's not much here. You've got a couple of bars, a couple of restaurants, and all very high quality things like Harrods, World of Whiskey. Just looking around while I'm doing it. It's like even Wetherspoons over there. Hello, Johnny. It's called the Bookshop by Wetherspoons. It's all a bit posh. So we went to go and see if we can get in a lounge. You have to pre-book them. But got my Caffè Nero, had a bacon butty. Johnny's got his. So we're literally. Oh, you've had your cereal from Smith's. We've walked through the duty free.
Top tip, cereal containers. Good breakfast.
Yeah, good. I got a bacon butty from Caffè Nero. Johnny gets his cereal containers. But we're just waiting for the gate now. We've been in duty free. Had a quick spray of the perfumes. Make us smell nice. But yeah, we'll pick you up in Miami. See you later. Good morning everyone, welcome to Miami. It is currently 20 to 7 in the morning. We've been up since 2, 3 o'clock in the morning, probably 4. Our bodies are still on UK time, so we just woke up then anyway, but we felt just come out for a walk and see if we can find somewhere to eat, because it is, look at this sunrise. This is beautiful out here. And then down this way, we're going to see it slightly. Just behind me here is all the cruise lines, and the cruise port is just over the back there. And it's such a beautiful, beautiful morning. Done our room tour this morning as well. We're just having a nice little walk out in what I think is a dog park and community place. But look at this chair behind me as well. Look how beautiful that is. So we're just about to go and find some food. We've got airplanes going over the top of us and everything. It's beautiful out here in Miami, but it is boiling. It is currently 23 degrees at not even 7 o'clock in the morning. So we're just going to go down and find somewhere to eat. Because those of you that don't know us, we have to be careful where we eat. Johnny has had a gastric band in the past, so he has to be careful what he eats. If he eats the wrong things, it just doesn't agree with him. So we're going to go and see if we can find somewhere for us both to eat nicely. And what is that bit of blue just hanging in the middle of the air? Is there a wire there? I'm going to show you. I don't know if you can see it. It's a bit random. Where is it? Literally at the back here somewhere. There's a wire going across. There's just a blue bag just hanging from it. Anyway, distracting myself. So we've been out for a little walk. We're just going to keep going. We'll pick you up because today is boarding day. Hello everyone, it's just an update on boarding day and checking in. For us, boarding was quite simple. We had the key and our check-in time was 11:30, so the only thing that was a downside to us was our transportation from the hotel to the port didn't turn up. It was going to be there at 11 and by 10 past it still wasn't there, so we jumped in an Uber 10 minutes down the road from the port anyway, so it was quite simple there. And then we got to 11:30 and oh my goodness, the queue was massive. If we didn't have the key and priority check-in, we could potentially still be out on the dock right now. That is how long the queue was today. So when we got in, we just had to show our proof of lateral flow negative, our double vaccination, and there's about 4 or 5 stations. I lost count how many there was because there were quite a few to go through, if I'm honest, all over to then get in. But then once we were in, it was so simple. Had our key lunch, which was beautiful. Beautiful mushroom soup, beautiful burger, beautiful dessert. And then we came to do our tour, our room tour. We've just done that. And make sure you check out that video. And now we're just going to wait for our cases, chill out, and try and sort everything out because we're just going to enjoy our day and have fun. Johnny's already unpacking and trying to clean the room up already. Oh yeah! We're on about our 3rd drink today because again we have the ultimate beverage package, so we can get drinks up to $13 included in our stay during our cruise. And we've got soft drinks, which will be in these nifty little containers here. They're quite cool. But yeah, we're just going to chat for today. See you later. Bye. Thank you for watching. If you did enjoy our video, please hit the like and subscribe button below to keep up to date with everything we do.